Hi everyone, I'm so glad to be back here. I just want to share this very exciting news with you guys because recently I managed to redeem cash voucher of 10 ringgit and I managed to get some free goodies or free groceries. So I really want to share this very exciting news with you guys. Alright, so as you can see, I actually bought these groceries and I managed to get, okay, I will show you guys. This is the proof that I managed to use the Lotuss voucher. Lotuss is for groceries, so I managed to get 10 ringgit worth of groceries. So really exciting. I'm going to share with you today how you are able to do that. Yeah, so not many people actually know about this, but it's very simple to do. Basically what you have to do is to go to www.bing.com. It is the same thing as google.com. It's a search engine by Microsoft. Okay, so what you can do is to search for anything. Okay, for example, I search for this and then I click enter. As you can see on the right hand side, you will see the points will increase, right? The points will increase as you search. Okay, for example, let me see, carpal tunnel syndrome. Okay, let's say if I want to search for this, okay, you can see that my points will then increase. Can you see? It has increased 3 points. So it's so simple to do. You can continue videos, video ideas for YouTube. Enter just like that. From 457, you can see that the points will be 460. Can you see? Just within seconds, I'm able to get points. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Okay, very simple to do. So just by searching on this, you can get points. Okay, and let's see the redemption over here. As you can see on my right hand side, you are also able to get points if you also complete the puzzle, plan the trip with all the quizzes and dinner ideas and etc. Okay, to answer quizzes and everything, so you can get extra points with that. And when we click on redeem, this is my dashboard. You can see that I'm currently at level 2. I've actually advanced to level 2, so I have more advanced features, more points to claim. As you can see, you can redeem so many things here, like for game, for Lotuss, for even Lazada. You know Lazada? Yeah, for Lazada as well. So that is my current goal, to redeem for Lazada, which is an e-commerce platform over here. Okay, so in order to get the gift card or cash voucher of 10 ringgit, I need to accumulate 2,900 points, which is really easy to get. As you can see, within seconds, I can actually earn so many points already within just seconds of searching on the search engine. So it's as simple as that, super easy, because every day we still have to search on the search engine, correct? So this is just part of your daily routine. So it's super easy to do. And you can read the news as well. When you read the news, you will be able to get points as well. So very simple. Search on Bing, or you can read news to earn points. And as you can see, you can also see that over here in level 2, I have my PC search. There's a maximum of 90 points per day that I can claim, and mobile search of 60, and Microsoft Edge bonus of 12. So per day, you are able to get all these points, right, to accumulate daily. So it's super easy, all right, nothing difficult about it. And the most exciting thing is I tried out this and it actually works. So I hope that you guys will try it and experience free groceries like what I did. Thank you. Bye-bye.